Measure up for our panels for the willow structure. It's 3 metres in length and I want about a 2 metre drop each side, so they'll roll up and over. They'll be fixed in the top, say third, and then you'll be able to roll them up and down for the windows depending on what sort of shelter you want. Yes, we've got lots and lots of wildlife here, lots of bird sounds, songs, and it's all because the area that we're in is all organic pastures and orchards, so no pesticides, plenty of little bugs for them to feed on. In the past years we normally get 3 peregrines, 1 female, 2 males, and they have an aerial, well, it's like combat, the 2 males fighting it off, showing off. Obviously one wins and then they go off and sort of pair up. Don't think we got it last year, but all the years previous to that, every single year. I wonder if the hoopoe will be back. Well, they're a fascinating bird. They don't look like they belong here. They look like tropical, but yeah, we get lots of seasonal changes all the time, including the rain. Boy, have we had some rain. That's why it's so green. So I'm armed with my shopping list. Let's go shopping. I think I'm going to be on the lookout for some plants to go in these as well. Some empty pockets here and there. It's looking much better now, isn't it? Nice and fresh and clean. So I'm back home now. Had an almighty downpour. It's finally stopped though, so that's good. I've got me screens. Got 4 of those, got some plants. So let's get it unloaded and I'll see you over there. Some ground sheet. What climber did I get? Of course I went for the jasmine. Oh, here comes the rain. Take cover. It's quite windy, so it might pass. I don't mind working in the rain, it's just the camera, I can't get wet. It's in the caravan now, so. Are you ready to come out yet? It's eased off a little bit. I'm going to stick you over in the shade so you won't get too wet. Oh, it's terrible. There's that. Voila. So once the top's all tied off, all we simply do, we'll tie it off up to the top there, this, and then we'll just roll this up. And then, you know, if we want to view out the side we can, or we can leave them down. But I'm not going to fix this bottom section, only the top. Right, on to the next half. The weather certainly makes it challenging, but you can't let it stop you. You never get nothing done. Perfect. Nearly. It needs a little bit of preening here and there, but don't we all? So yeah, it's got to be tied off. I'm going to put something over this half, just so we can sit outside if it rains, you know. We don't want our cushions getting wet all the time that we're going to sit on, so yeah. I'm going to make that end waterproof. Let's take a look inside. Follow me. I'll give a nice bit of shade when it's really hot out here, you know, allows the air to blow through. A bit like what they call a breeze house. Like I say, I've designed it so that these can be rolled up. Is it like a Roman blind? Is that what you'd call it? No, I don't think it is. I might be. Anyway, they can be rolled up there and tied off. So you can choose, you know, your openings. If you want a bit of privacy, a bit of shade, drop them down again. It's not going to last forever. Doesn't need to. Once everything starts growing up, you know, that will just be like, you know, I suppose a couple of years out of it. That'd be fine. Okay. Got a ground sheet. That way. Yeah, cut that off in a moment. Plenty long enough. At least it stopped raining for a couple of minutes. Time for a cup of tea. See you in 5 minutes. Well, yesterday that rain was relentless. It didn't stop, so I decided to come out the following day. It's forecast today to be nice and sunny, although it is a bit foggy. Still, better than rain. Okay, let's get back over there, sort that path out. So the plan is, I've got some old slate over there. We're going to bring the slate in, crush it all up and make a pathway to where the seat will be. Yep, bit of recycling, upcycling, tidies the garden up as well. Let's get started. Oh, where's my gloves? Put myself a cushion. Oh yeah, this is pleasant. obviously not finished. Still lots of jobs to do. Close this back section in, make this top section waterproof. So how much does this cost so far? These rolls of screening were €40. The slate was free. The mulch was part of the job lot, say €10, so €50. The membrane, €7, so we're up to 60. €60 so far. Now that ain't bad, is it? Obviously a little bit of labour went into this, but you know, as with many of my projects, there's no budget. You know, I haven't got any pot of money set aside or anything like that. I do get help from the patrons and the buy me coffees and everybody that watches the channel. Obviously this is my main income, you know, I've got no other income coming in, so some of these things I tackle, like I say, there's no budget. I start them and then things just happen and you find a way. Sometimes you have to, you know, look for alternatives. Can't always buy what I need and what I want at that time, but eventually you do get over it and it's well worth doing. So yeah, don't let money hold you back, go for it. Definitely. Didn't come out too bad, did it? What do you think? A few plants here in pots. Now I have also got a wisteria, but I'm not so sure this is the right place to plant it really. A few people have said might get too big and heavy for here, although they do take some time to get to that stage, but you know, thinking forward, maybe not the best place here. So maybe just the jasmines, maybe a honeysuckle. There's lots of flying creatures about. Sam's actually just come out to me and said, can you have a look at the chimney? You know where the wasps were going in and out last year? There's some more flying activity. It's that time of year, so yeah. If any of you have noticed, I've been and got my harness on. Just going to sort my ladders out. Go and take a look at that chimney again. Okay, wish me luck. One other thing. Are you still subscribed? Lots of people are saying they've been unsubscribed. Don't know what's going on, so if you could check that you are subscribed, and if you haven't, subscribe please, it really helps. And leave us a comment, you know, thumbs up if you like the video. And I'll see you all in the next one. Bye for now.